What lies behind the erratic zigzags of lightning on Jupiter? In 2020, Juno spacecraft captured fascinating images of these unpredictable flashes, different from Earth's linear lightning displays. Unlike our familiar strikes, Jupiter's lightning fascinatingly twists and turns, presenting a mesmerizing, chaotic dance across the planet's massive storms. Scientists are perplexed, speculating about unknown atmospheric elements or complex magnetic fields that might drive this peculiar pattern. As the research continues, this cosmic mystery challenges current lightning theories and tantalizes astronomers with the unknown forces at play in the gas giant's turbulent skies.